Guys, the new book is out, Music Marketing for the DIY Musician, Creating and Executing a Plan of Attack on a Low Budget, and I could not be more excited. This is definitely the best version yet. It's available in physical format, digital format, and now it is available in audio format because I'm actually going to read some of this for you guys. Welcome, new and old readers. Here's what's fresh. All right, tell us. Data-driven marketing, it's important. Trending songs via short form video, very, very important. And artificial intelligence, of course, very, very important. Some of you guys call me Teach and some of you call me Coach, but most of you guys know me as musician turned professor, helping you turn your art into a more successful business. For the last 25 years, my books and lectures have been used at top universities all throughout the United States to Korea, all the way through the Netherlands. And here's what you guys are going to get. Number one, line-by-line updates for 2024 to 2030. This is very, very important because since the last edition of this book, a lot has changed and you guys need that information, of course. And when I write forward thinking. So this book is not going to outdate itself. It's going to really, I would say probably the next edition would be 2030. Number two, a completely new chapter called The Future, which is going to cover things like AI, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, mixed reality, MR, extended reality, XR, right? What the heck is all that stuff? Well, you're going to find out. And even more specifically, the metaverse, blockchain, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, 6G technology, voice, social media strategies, influencer marketing, data-driven marketing, music discovery, global music issues, diversity and inclusion. I mean, right there alone, that chapter, you guys, is worth getting the new revision. For those of you guys that have the older revision, and for those of you guys that don't have this book, seriously, like straight up, what are you waiting for? This book, after every chapter, has templates to help you put together a plan of attack for your career. And it's got examples and all really, really kind of great stuff. Remember, if you don't have a plan, you are planning to fail. Number three, what else can we get? Extensively revised promotion chapters. Now let's talk about that real quick because marketing fundamentals do not change, but the tactics do change, and we do need to take a look at those. So we're going to focus on the latest social media hacks, influencer marketing techniques, video strategies, SMS marketing and email marketing, playlisting strategies, and almost a completely rewritten chapter on data analytics. Guys, these days, decisions are made with data. It's not about guessing. You're looking at the data, you're getting insights from that data, and you're strategizing appropriately. So if you're not doing this stuff, you need to jump on this right away. Number five, new box stories. So the box stories are like, let me see if you can see this, right? The box stories, you see these gray boxes? They're specifically designed to help you guys, like to break up the text, but also more importantly, to emphasize the things that you're learning so that you can see that we're not just making stuff up here. It shows you exactly how this is applied to big artists like Billie Eilish, Lil Nas X, Chance the Rapper, Doja Cat, Dua Lipa, Metallica, Tame Impala, Khalid. I mean, just all of the latest artists that you guys love. So definitely, again, it's a freshness. Remember that word, it's fresh. Number six, new and revised services. So in the back, a lot of times people miss this, but in the back, there's actually a resource guide, which has I think like 300, 400 different, people that you could reach out to in terms of resources. Definitely want to check out. There's also a glossary of terms in the back as well. And for those of you professors that are watching this book is actually a course. There's tests in the back of this, quizzes, midterms, finals that you can give to your students. So a lot of people grab this book and write their syllabus around this book. This is true at USC. This is true at UCLA. This is true at Belmont. This is true at University of Miami. I mean, there's a lot of people that are already using this book in their courses. All right, moving on. What else we have? A peppering of new theories and thoughts from business leaders. So, this book is not Bobby Borg on marketing, you guys. I'm looking at what Gary Vee is saying, what Simon Sinek is saying, Guy Kawasaki, the Fast Company, Harvard Business Review, Billboard, and we're sort of peppering the text with their thoughts as well. Okay. And then also, I want you guys to keep in mind that there's a continued focus in this book on basically you and your music. It's not about it's like there's so much information out there where people are like talking about there's a chart with comparing 20 different distributors and like, oh, this one takes 1%, and that one takes 2%, and that one, that stuff can really, really drive you crazy. It's not about that stuff. It's about your music first and foremost, because whether or not you're with DistroKid or CD Baby isn't going to make your career if your music is no good, if your art is no good, if you're not positioning it the proper way, if your tone and messaging is not correct. So that's what we focus on in here. Sure, we do talk about that stuff, but I'm not trying to confuse anybody with all that stuff. I feel like there's so much stuff out there that is just basically making things seem really, really difficult. We simplify it. Right? Music Marketing for the DIY Musician. It's the 3rd edition. Go out and get this book. It's available everywhere on Amazon, at Roman and Littlefield, Apple, iTunes, iBooks, all that stuff. Just look it up. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn the art to more successful business. Peace.